Hi all, Fat Andy here. Right, I'm going to have a midweek barbecue. I may go to work shortly, but what I've done is, or what I'm going to do, should I say, I picked up some more different one from B&M, Chinese marinade this time, 39 pence. They've got loads of different ones up there. These have been absolutely brilliant so far. So let's have a closer look. I've got some pork belly slices. And I've got some chicken thighs. I'm not going to do all them, that's only me and Kay. I've got some sausages and that, and just got to do a bit of a barbecue later this afternoon. Get the work all done this morning, what I've got to do. And yeah, just enjoy the weather. So let's take a closer look at this Chinese marinade. Here we go then. Cook's Choice. Again, no added MSG, no hydrated vegetable fat, no artificial colours and flavours, suitable for vegetarians and vegans. So this is a sweet, savoury, oriental marinade with distinct aniseed aroma and flavour. Chinese marinade. It says marinate in 10 minutes. Mine's going to be several hours. 60 grams again, 39 pence. Whoa, what a bargain. Well, it will be if it tastes nice. Right, and barbecue, you can have it, you can air fry it, grill it, do what you like with it. We're going to do barbecue, so a midweek barbecue. I never have a midweek barbecue, I'm always too busy, but it's so hot out there. Get my work done early. Right, let me, get my finger out of the way first. Let me just pull this over and see what's going on. Best results, I had 60 grams worth of Chinese marinade to 800 grams of your chosen meat or poultry, or 10% of the weight of your meat. There we go. Sprinkle the marinade sprinkle the marinade over your meal or poultry and ensure that it's even coating all over. Leave it to marinate for 10 minutes. Mine's going to be about 5 hours. Okay. And then yeah, it's ready for the grill or whatever you want to do with it, or oven. Customer quality guarantee. There it is, Middleton Foods. Yeah, 39 pence. That's got some bangers out, I'll tell you. Right, that is the ingredients in there. For allergen C bold, there's no allergens in there what I can pick up, but it may contain wheat, milk, egg, soya, barley, celery, mustard, and sulfites. Nutritional information is there, everyone's interested. Food storage instructions, and that's it. Right, let's get marinated. Right, let's get this open. He says, see what we've got in here. There it is. Certainly smells Chinese to me. Right, let's get this open. Start with these pork belly slices. Open that up. All I will do, like I normally do, I'll use in a bag. Nice pork belly slices there. Get them in there. Yeah, nice big in there. All them in here, like so. Put that to one side. Yeah, let's get some marinade on these first. Get that open. Absolutely loads in there, 60 grams of it. Right, let's right, move these back a bit. I need to see what's going on here. Right, we're going to get these all coated. Yeah, I just thought, right, have a midweek barbecue. Get them done. We've got in there, so I'll leave some for the chicken. Oh, loads, absolutely loads. Right, that's about half a pack. Go on here. So what I'm going to do, get the air out of that. And I'll just do this one up. I'll do the chicken separate. We're only going to have 2 or 3 bits on it. I was going to have it one in one, but we'll do that separate. So I'll keep massaging this in. That's that one. I'll get another bag out. Some did say to me, where did you get his bags for marinating? Well, they're not marinating bags, actually. All they are is just freezer bags. Aldi, these ones come from. They're ideal, really. Absolutely ideal to put food in just to marinate it. You know, works well. Right. Got these chicken thighs opened up. And see what these, quite big these are, aren't they? Well, I was looking for some smaller ones. They're massive, they are. Bloody hell. They are big ones. Yeah, I might just do two big ones to be fair. We've got all the pork ribs and everything. Let's get this bag open. Try not to touch the outside. Oh yeah, they are big old thighs. You know, two. What we got in there? One. Bloody hell. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to do two chicken thighs with this, to be quite honest, and I'll freeze the rest of them. And that, because they're huge. I'll just wash my hands and put them in the fridge. Right, let's get some more of this lovely marinade on there. Yeah, you realise they're that big, these two. I think they're the smaller ones. I'll just have a couple of them. It was midweek. Got some sausages as well, too. Yeah, happy days on that department. Right, I'll use the rest of this in here. I'll just use it. At 39 pence, honestly, you can't do wrong. Quite do smell this. You can smell that, just like the old Chinese. Well, it is Chinese spice, really, I suppose, isn't it? But you get such a good value for 60 grams on it. You know, you can't do wrong. For 39 pence. They've been cracking, the other two were done. Right, I'm going to tie this up. Like so. And then go all in the fridge. And then going to marinate for 5 hours. It won't be even longer. Like we often do some graft. Right, put that to one side so we know what we're dealing with. Yeah, happy days. So, and you're round here. Put that out. Yeah, so I'll get these in the fridge. So I've got some sausages in that. Probably have some spuds or a bit of salad with it or something. And midweek barbecue. Oh, that's hot out there. Right, I might have to do some work, just wash up again. Clean down after work, and I'll catch you guys later this afternoon. See you in a bit. Right, I've got the barbecue light. 6 hours I've been marinating the chicken thighs and the lovely pork belly slices. So I'm just waiting for the old coals to go white on the barbie, and then we'll get out there and do some cooking. Right, I just put the old meat on the barbecue. They're the pork belly slices. A good 5 hours or so marinating the 2 big chicken thighs, and we've got these smoky hot dog sausages. Well, they're sausages, they're smoked sausages. They're the ones I reviewed there a few weeks ago. We picked them up from Aldi. We had 3 left, so I froze them. So yeah, we've got some spuds on the go. Cake will do a bit of salad. Happy days. Right, beer time. Why not? Why not? He says. Nice cold lager. Alright, barbecue's coming along nicely. Yeah, I just thought I'd let you people know, people who ain't obviously local. You've seen that massive fire down at Dunwich. What's that actually? What, 12 mile, 14 mile down the road, I think. Really, really bad. When you see this video, it'll be tomorrow's will be Friday. It's Thursday at the moment, and that started 5:30 last night. Really, really bad. They reckon, well, when I read a report this morning, they reckon that's like 180 odd football pitches or 200 odd football pitches or something been burnt. The other sides of it, and that's still going now. We just heard all the fire engines again. I mean, last night, really smell the smoke. And we're all that way away because it was a southerly wind blowing and that really bad. But yeah, I'll stick some pictures on there as well. These are courtesy of the East Anglian Daily Times. Little pictures up here and up there. So I'm telling you this, we're out of control, well out of control. My daughter said to me on the phone a little while ago, she said they're asking for farmers now to go out with their tractors and see if they can do fire breaks and everything else. They're asking for people to all-wheel drive vehicles, if they can go out and help. That's fire crews from all over, absolutely horrendous. And the wildlife, that's such a lovely place, that Dulwich. Believe it or not, I was thinking of going down there this month and doing a video on it, but bloody hell, it doesn't look good. I mean, you've got Minsomere, big wildlife reserve there, and that, I just think the poor old animals in that trap, especially this time of the year, with they're young and everything. It's not good at all. How it started, no one knows. But everything is just so tinder dry at the moment, and that really is. Well, it is like all over the country, and there's fires breaking out everywhere. I'm in Europe, but Jesus Christ, Europe, that's horrendous everywhere. But yeah, so just hope they get this fire put out, you know, soon, because it's not good, and that's close as well. The size will be, apparently, from what I read. So yeah, just fingers crossed for them. Right, I'll go have a look at the barbecue in a minute. There it is, coming along nicely, that is. The sausages, the chicken, belly pork slice with the Chinese sauce on. Wow, I can't wait for this, I'm starving. Especially out working all day in this heat. Clouded over a bit, but still warm, still very, very warm. Right, let it do its thing. Right, barbecue is done. There we have the pork loin, pork belly, fat should I say, a couple of nice big chicken breasts, flip them around, sausage is done, let's get dished up. Right, one lovely plate of meat, I've got a salad with some lovely honey and mustard dressing on, some potatoes in there with butter, yeah, it's just stuck into it. Oh, and that's Kay. Hi. Right, let's get started with this barbecue then. Got the meat, Kay. Help yourself. Right, that's 2 chicken thighs, 1, 2. Pick what one you like, or just help yourself and just piling, girl, that's what we say. There we go, we're going to be picky now.
Small one.
Come on, I want more than that. Fill your boots. Bit of chicken there.
I don't.
Some nice
I'll
smoky
just
pork
wait.
sausages.
I'll leave the chicken for now.
Right, okay, whatever.
That'll do for me.
Right. Cool, look at that lot. I don't eat all that. Right, let's get stuck into it. This is the Chinese 39 pence if the flies get out of the way. 39 pence rub from where was it? B&M, weren't it?
Yeah.
You got me a roll, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
So, as I say, these are the smoky hot dogs stuck in there. Well, they like nice.
No.
Oh, right, okay.
Try
Right, I want to dive into this pork belly slice. That's all about this marinade on here, Kay. I can smell it, smells Chinese.
It do. It smells.
Quite lovely. Heaven on earth. Pork belly slices a little chewy on that one. Might be because a thicker one, so I might have let it go a little longer, but that one's fine. That's nice.
Alright. Not too bad.
Cool, chicken is done nice. Quite look nice and juicy, that chicken. Wow. That really do. See that, but that looks lovely and juicy. Again, that's got the Chinese on. Lovely that, juice. That 39 pence marinade from B&M is spot on, isn't it? Do you think? Do you like it?
It's not too bad.
Not too bad. I'd give that a 9, me. Oh, you give it what you like. I think that's lovely.
Just give it an 8.
You're going to give it an 8?
Oh, 7.
Make it on my luck than that. Right, that's really nice. Yourself for 39 pence, you can't go wrong. Well, you're not a fan of it.
I'm not
Be honest.
a great fan of it myself,
No.
but
Well, put it this way, if you like this Chinese sort of Chinese taste 5 spice, I highly recommend it. I'm sticking with a 9 because I love it. You're going to go with a 7, yeah? You like it, but you're not massively. No. Yeah, so that's really nice. We got a bit of salad here with the what we got here? Lettuce, tomato, spring onion, and a bit of that.
5 spice.
So you got 5 spice on the blanket.
I know.
Honey and mustard dressing, and that'll come from Aldi, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I think you can get it from other supermarkets.
Oh, was
obviously.
it Lidl's, that one?
Well, it might have done. Bloody flies round here.
Yeah, I think that one came from Lidl's.
Right. We've tried the one from Aldi, and this is a little one. That basically
Nice.
as nice as it's. You had slight mustard flavour, didn't you?
On this one you
And
do.
then the sweetness. That's the thing I hate about summer is flies everywhere. Right, we're going to enjoy this now. Kay's on the old cherry side, which you will when she pour it out. Oh, I'm on the lager. Happy days. Right. Thumbs up if you like this. Give your comments below. Let me know what you think. Bit of a midweek barbecue. I thought about time I had one.
Yeah, that time we did. Isn't it?
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Haven't had many.
No, we haven't. We have been too bloody busy doing this, that, and the other. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. And we'll catch you, lovely people, in the next one.
See ya.
Thanks for watching. Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.